Assalamu alaikum. Today I ask different positions of different things. Are you ready? Bilawal Rai, where is your bottle?
Sir, my bottle is under my desk.
Jamila Rai, where is your bag?
Sir, my bag is on my desk.
Umema, where is the Saqib's desk?
It is near the window.
Dilraj, where are your books?
Sir, my books are in my bag.
Shayan, where is your bag? Saqib, where are your books?